Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to fix error problem in any formula. We'll start with VLOOKUP in any function. If you are facing issue with the error values, then you can use this function, which I'll explain in a while. So we'll start and then true, then zero. So now we are taking the data for A to F. But if there is a value which is called Z, so there is no data. Now, if we are representing something, if these values are there, it is very annoying, and manually deleting it will take so much time. To fix that, we just put the function which is called if error. Okay, so what it says, if this particular value gives us the error output, then replace it with what value? Let's suppose not found. Okay, so let's fix this spelling. Yeah, not found. So this is how we fix it, and also we can change it to anything. Let's suppose we don't want anything, we want that cells blank. So just put double quote twice and then it will show blank. But if we want to show zero, then we can directly put zero because it's a numerical. So without any quotes, we can add zero. So this is how we fix it. And also you can put anything. Let's suppose who cares. So we can add this, and if we change here like D, so it will show the marks of D. But if we add anything which is not present in the data, it will show who cares, or it's better to keep it blank. So yeah, this is how we fix the error problem in any function. Not only in VLOOKUP, we can apply this in some function, any function where you are getting error. I hope you enjoy the video. Yeah, thank you. Please subscribe.